If you're thinking about buying a house in 2021, this video is for you. For those of you that don't know, I lead a team that has helped over 200 families in the last 4 years buy, sell, or invest in real estate. This year, we helped over 60 families and sold over $6 million worth of real estate. Let's just get right to it. A couple questions you should be asking yourself is, am I ready and can I afford it? Am I ready means, do I have steady and secure employment? Because in today's world, especially with everything that's going on, you need to prepare for the unexpected. That means, do I have 3, 4, 6 months reserves? Can I cover my living expenses should something happen? And if the answer is no, then maybe you need to start saving up a little more. Ideally, you're going to want to have at least 2 years of consecutive work history, preferably in the same field, or at a bare minimum, not switching jobs every couple months and definitely not taking pay cuts. You're also going to want to ask yourself, what's my debt to income ratio? This is calculated by taking your monthly debt divided by your monthly income. And ideally, you're going to want to be under 36%. And last and most obvious, what's my credit score? And you're going to be careful what your source is for this, because something like Credit Karma isn't going to be as accurate as a credit monitoring system like Capital One or Discover. To get approved for a home loan, you're going to want to have a 620, but we do have partners that go down as low as 580. However, if you do want to get approved and take advantage for the down payment assistance programs, you're going to need a 640, 660. The second is, can I afford it? Can I afford it means, do I have enough money for the down payment? Do I have enough money for the closing costs? Because when purchasing a home, it's just not the down payment. A quick fact or bullet: do you need 20% to purchase a home? Bullet. You do not need 20%. The down payment varies from anywhere from 0 to 20%. It can be 0 if you're using a USDA loan and that's buying in a rural area. It can be 0% if you're a veteran, active duty service member, National Guard member, or even a reservist. You may be eligible for 100% financing. However, that does not mean 100% closing costs. That only means down payment. Now, closing costs. What is closing costs? Closing costs entails the appraisal, your title fees, your bank fees, your homeowner's insurance, other fees that generally come up to around 2 to 3% of the purchase. Again, you may need to save. However, you've seen all our posts and you may be asking,
Victor, then what do I hear about all these people buying a home with $1,000 or very little money down? How is that possible?
I'll tell you how. Illinois Housing Development Authority, or IDA, down payment assistance programs that help with up to $10,000 to be used towards down payment or closing costs. And even with the new programs, you may be eligible for up to $40,000 in student loan forgiveness. However, these programs are limited. If you're interested and still want a little more information, we'll have our free buyer guide in the description. Or if you're ready to become a homeowner in 2021 or still have a couple questions, schedule a free 15-minute phone consultation with me, and I'd be glad to answer any questions you have. Our goal is to help you guys become homeowners in 2021. Out.